What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So today we are tackling the motor. Yesterday we got the engine painted up all nice and white. I think it looks really good. So today we are stripping this motor and getting it ready to be cleaned. So again, I don't know where I should start at. I think I want to start from the back because it looks like the easiest. Guess I'll start with these old gaskets. All the leaves that are in there. I'll tell you guys this, the hardest part about this whole job, like this whole job that I've been doing, this whole little project that I've been doing, it's been that clutch. It has these 12 point ridges that's inside of it, that's on it. And it can only be taken off by a 12 point. So online it says that it needs a 10 millimeter. So I went and bought all kind of 12 point, 10 millimeters, 9 millimeters, 8 millimeters to try and take that clutch off of there. And one of them I almost stripped, so I stopped. But I don't know how to get the clutch off of there. I got so many different 9s and 10s and 12 9s, 10s, and 8 millimeters, 12 points. And I cannot get that clutch off of there. So that clutch is holding me up. So I'm not gonna let it hold me up. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean the motor down and see, that way I can just move forward until I find a way to get that clutch off of there. But that clutch has really been the hardest part of this whole project. And I believe the new timing chain and everything just came in the mail today. Is it? Yep, I think that's it. Look at that. And I can't get the stupid clutch off. Well, look at that. The new chains are here. New guides. New tensioner. And the other guides. Look at that. Everything just came in. Just my luck. I'm telling you, it's just my luck. Is that the new, I think the tensioner bolt? Is that bolt? It's one of those bolts. It's one of those. Ain't that about a biscuit, y'all? I can't get the stupid clutch in. I bought all those freaking sockets right there. None of those sockets will get that clutch off of there, and now I'm stuck. I can't get the clutch off. So now I don't know what to do. So I guess I gotta go to Harbor Freight now. I'm gonna try Harbor Freight and see if Harbor Freight has where I need to take that off. But that's dumb. That's crazy. Well, I got the motor all cleaned up on the other hand, so that's pretty much ready for primer and paint. And then, so the motor's ready for primer and paint, and now I gotta get the clutch off of there. As soon as I get the clutch off of there, then I can put that on there, and then I can put the stage 2 clutch on there, and then we can put the transmission back on there, and then we can shove it all back up in the car. I'm so ready. Almost there. Bear with me, guys. I guess that will be it for today, guys, and I guess I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember, guys, have an awesome day.